Hello everybody, my name is Mary Magnolia Vélez Preciado, course Qualitative and Quantitative Research, tutor Claudia Juliana Ramirez, task 3, Qualitative Research. Effectiveness of flat language learning, a classroom and student perspective. Study utility approach of learning. Analysis tool for learning approach in a foreign language. Learning approach between the flat classroom. This is method that allow the student to be the protagonist in the creation and selection of content where the students attend are trained with knowledge and in this way the content of it will be more enriching and fruitful. Also related to active learning. Absent theory this is theory about the planet behavior. Okay, and this is theory is responsible for predicting human behavior through arithmetic, convention, social pressure, and tension. Uh, Beside the flat classroom, they created an effort in the learning process, where students acquired knowledge before the class, share information during the class, teacher consolidate learning during the class. Another on the high ascent theory is the core factor attention of a student learning. Between them, behavior attitude, the attitude of the learners towards the learning in foreign language using other approaches. Example, a flat classroom, the society rules, and the perceived social pressure to participate or not in a behavior. Control control of behavior received. Uh, Belief of a student with the ability to learn and language through the the inverted the inverted classroom approach. The absent theory is the in, is the intention equality zone attitude towards behavior plus society's norms plus control or perceived behavior. Summary is one of the instruments used in the context of the inverted classroom, where the student prepares the content of the class. And in the classroom, share what they learned and clear doubts in the teaching in the in the teacher. Sorry, this is method allow them to delve into each topic rates, build build those, and now becomes content players. Another instrument is the absent theory, is the whose theory is responsible for predicting of the human behavior through attitude, convention, social pressure, and tension. Both the theories intend to know the achievement of the students towards learning of a foreign language, methodologies whose learning content allow the student reach to propose goals, help, help, help notably to improve the four skill of listening, of writing, of reading, of speaking, uh, seeing allow the teacher to consolidate knowledge with more time available to perform a practical exercise in skill and thus improve the skill of students. A reference. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.